guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Nandini Manohar and today I'm very busy because I have a lot of work to be done. First I want to drop my daughter to her college. Then tomorrow is Makara Sankranti. This is the first festival of 2021. So I should go for festival shopping. And my brother has come from Gulbarga, he's a doctor. So I should spend my time with him and I should cook. I have a lot to do today. I don't know how I'll manage. After dropping my daughter, I've come to supermarket to buy some items which I need for tomorrow's festival, like to prepare sweets and other stuffs. So if I go home, it will be late. So it is better I'll buy everything now and I'll go home. So I purchased all these things for tomorrow's festival. This is puja items, flowers, then betel leaves, betel nut, then coconut, mango leaves, sugar cane, then bananas, and this too is for pongal. Moong dal and jaggery. This is for pongal. We'll prepare pongal tomorrow. And this is very important sweet which we prepare tomorrow, that is til. With this til we prepare one sweet mixture. I will tell you how to prepare. So this is the items I bought from market today. Today I had a very tiring day because I went for festival shopping, and after coming home I spent my time with my brother. We had lunch and dinner together and we had a very good time because we had come after a long time. And it is 11:30 in the night and I'm really feeling sleepy. Tomorrow I should wake up very early because I want to prepare for festival. And see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Very good morning and wishing you all happy Makara Sankranti. Today I am preparing a traditional sweet for Sankranti, that is pongal and sweet with til. First I am preparing sweet with til. After til we have to fry roasted gram. This is the roasted gram. We have to roast a bit, not too much. Next ingredient is groundnuts. We have to roast groundnuts. So the next ingredient is jaggery. We have to cut into small pieces and add it to this mixture. The last ingredient is dry coconut. Peel the skin and we have to cut it into small pieces like this, and we have to add it to this mixture. Hello bella and sakre hacchu. This is known as sakre hacchu. So this is ready. We distribute this to our friends and relatives. And it is a traditional thing that we have to distribute. So we can distribute today and we can also distribute till 15 days. So after that they don't take this till. Now I am preparing very important traditional sweet for pongal, that is for Sankranti, that is sweet pongal. For sweet pongal I have taken 1.5 glass rice. For that we have to take moong dal equal to it or little bit less. So first I will fry moong dal. Now add this rice and moong dal, and we have to cook this with milk and water. Adding milk and water. Let it cook. It has to cook together. Then we have to add jaggery, then elaichi. So rice and moong dal is cooked. Now we have to add jaggery, equal proportionate. Keep mixing it. Rice and moong dal and jaggery, it is mixed thoroughly. Now we have to add elaichi powder. Noodle is done. Now we have to add raisins, then cashew nuts. This has to be fried in ghee. That is very important. Fried cashew nuts. Mix it well. After adding these raisins and cashews, final touch up with dried coconut. We have to grate dry coconut and we have to add it to pongal. So this gives very good taste. Mix it well. So pongal is done. And other one is we have to boil groundnuts, then sweet potato, sugar cane, and in Karnataka this is known as avrekai. I don't know in other this thing. So we have to boil all these three items together and we have to keep in front of God. Pongal is ready. I am keeping this pongal in front of God for Naivedyam. So this is the traditional sweet which is prepared on Shankranti. I'm done with my puja. I've invited my family for lunch. So now I should go and prepare lunch for them. This is the festival food we'll have. That is vada, then chitranna, kosamri, sweet pongal, white rice, then itikbele saru, then that is rasam. ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾತಾಡು ಮಮ್ಮಿ. This is the first festival of 2021. Hope you guys liked it. Today I had a lot of work to be done. and I'm feeling so tired that I want to go to bed. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.